Epic snow fort building with Mjcubed kids. We got so much snow that the piles are really high, and we've been able to make so many tunnels and caves and slides, and it's making this winter snow play so much fun.
It's a good snow fort. We love it.
Maybe Miles can sleep in there.
Way.
Maverick's Cave's got a secret entranceway. Here comes Miles. Hey Miles, put your head through. Put your head through over here. Can hardly see you. You found gold? Keep coming? Come on, girl. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yay, McKinley, you did it. Yay. Lee, was that fun?
She wants to check out my base.
Oh, again. Whoa, girl. You going in again? You want Mommy to meet you on the other side? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mjcubed Kids.